Still sleepy.
Yeah. Ay, kana mo buong. Ayun, nandito tayo sa labas ngayon and hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well, and if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be notified or you will be updated if we have new upload videos and activities. Stay tuned guys! And ngayon nandito kami sa Taste of India dahil kakain kami ng aming breakfast. So napakaganda po ngayon na panahon. Yun. Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Hi.
You don't want to transfer other place?
This is good, no? Near the door. What are you going to do? कुछ सा लगता है ब्रेकफास्ट में 11:30
ब्रेकफास्ट सैटरडे मूवी बंद है
बाकी
पराठा कुलचा ये सब
मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा
पराठा मिलेगा आलू का पराठा पनीर का
What did you say?
This one is not yet because of this pandemic they close.
Oh, I know why you came here because of this.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. Andito kami ngayon sa labas. Nandito kami ulit sa Taste of India. And ang impinunta niya dito is gusto niyang kumain ng North Indian breakfast. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ano. Kasi mayroon sila dito ano paratha at
No, paratha and masala chai.
Aya. Yun.
Aloo paratha and gobi paratha.
Is it the Indian, the North Indian breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then, yung breakfast nila dito is until 11:30 lang. So, ngayon, it's 11 o'clock. And, umalis kami sa bahay is 10:55. Malapit lang po sa bahay. And, primer po ngayon ni Buholana. And, hindi po ako makaka-attend. And also, 11:30 po ay primer ni Ate Lagwa Chorney. So, hindi din ako makaka-attend kasi nandito kami sa labas. And, nagsuot ako ng spectacle ko dahil medyo magapa yung mata ko kasi 5 o'clock na po ako natulog dito. So, it's 9 AM there in the morning sa Pilipinas dahil nag-i-edit po ako ng aking videos or ng aming videos, kaya yun, late na akong natulog. And inaasahan ko kasing hindi ako gigisingin ng maaga pag Friday kasi pag Friday wala po siyang pasok. And ngayon ginising niya ako, kaya yun, magapa yung mata ko. Kasi ano lang yung tulog ko, 5 hours. Ayun, hindi ko din alam na pupunta kami dito. And siguro ito yung sinabi niya sa akin kahapon kasi sabi niya sa akin pag uwi daw niya galing office ay aalis daw kami. So baka ito yon kasi kahapon hindi natuloy. Yun. And yun, nag-order na siya. Ang pinunta lang pala talaga niya dito is yung breakfast ng North Indian breakfast. Yun. Sinabi ko sa kanya na hindi na tayo lalabas pero gusto daw niyang kumain talaga dito sa labas. For 3 years po namin na magkasama it is my first time to come here outside in the morning for eating our breakfast. First time ko po ito na lumabas kakain ng breakfast. Kasi mostly pag kakain kami is dinner lang talaga. Pag lalabas kami, dinner lang. Sometime lunch. Pero yung mayroon kaming kasama. Yun. What is that? Yeah. Praying for everyone for the safety. Dahil po doon sa nangyari sa atin sa Pinas sa typhoon. And keep safe po everyone. And tapos na pala siya nag-order. Yun. And nandito na yung ano namin. What it's called? Papadam? Yeah. Masala papad. Gusto ko to dahil ano, wala siyang oil. Hindi sila nag-oil dito pero maanghang to siya eh.
दो लेके आए एक लेके दो ठीक है एक दे दो एक बाद में ले लो
Oh, I will try that one.
okay you want
Okay. Mag-try ako ng tea nila dito yan. And kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-tea kasi dati kasi mayroon akong nag-tea lang ako one shop in Pune. I really love their tea kasi ang tea nila ay very tasty. And what is the name of the shop? Shitat?
that one in they have a morning breakfast places are
Nor,
there.
right? Is the name of the shop? Nor coffee shop?
I don't remember that.
Yeah, dinala niya doon. Ang sarap. Pati yung ano, yung tinapay nila doon. And ang daming pila. Talagang as in daming pila kahit maulan. Kasi nung pumunta ka doon, maulan. My mother, they are okay.
Put sugar is not there.
Okay tayo guys. So, mamaya pa kami mauwi nito kasi alam ko to eh. Yan.
It's hot, huh? Don't burn your teeth.
Ang bango ng tea nila.
It's hot. It's hot for
Like,
me.
like they are putting sa labat. Yan. Ang hapdi pa talaga ng mata ko. Kaya pala po kami ay laging nakikita nyo nagbablog na sa labas na kumakain. Yung mga Punjabi po is mahilig po talaga silang kumain. At masayahin sila. And they really enjoy the food. So yan ang parata namin, oh.
You can say?
क्या आलू
Thank you. Pray.
Say hi. So, yon. Tingnan mo yung balbas nandyan pa, no? Bayard. So, hindi ko lang siya ipapakita. So, ako lang. Ayan guys, yung aming breakfast. So, yung in-order daw niya ay aloo paratha.
And gobi paratha.
Sorry?
This one is gobi paratha, this is aloo paratha.
Where is the aloo paratha?
This one is aloo paratha.
And then what is the name of the
Gobi paratha.
gobi?
Yeah, cauliflower.
Aloo paratha, this, and the other one is gobi paratha.
Yes.
And cauliflower daw yung sa loob niyan. Kain tayo na ating breakfast, guys.
Madam approve करना चाहिए.
मैडम आओ पराठा
I'm not trying yet.
प्लीज
Eat with the hand, no?
Kain tayo guys.
Take butter or yogurt.
Oh, butter,
First time ko nakatikim nito ng aloo paratha.
Not good?
It's good. It's my first time to eat this paratha. Ay, aloo paratha.
I like gobi.
I thought gobi is gabi.
They have two kind of gobi. One is with leaf, what is called cabbage, okay? Other one, cauliflower. Take this one. It's tasty with that paratha. Trust me.
What is this?
Yogurt.
Hindi ko talaga gusto yung yogurt before.
This is not sour, okay?
It's not sour?
No, this is not. This
It
is
means
not.
is it Indian?
Maybe that is homemade. Check that one.
The normal yogurt. Pero masarap yung yogurt with the paratha. Yung ano po pala, restaurant ngayon, nagbibigay na sila ng yung plate talaga nila. Kasi yung wedding anniversary namin, disposable po lahat yung binigay nila. Mayroon silang ito. What is this?
That is pickle, but it's going to be a little spicy for you. Huh? Be careful.
Mango.
Try this one.
Mango?
No.
Look like mango.
Yeah, that is mango.
But I wanna try because sabi ni Ate Janice,
Spicy, be careful.
sino pa yon? Ate Ajuni, masarap daw yung mango pickle. So, ita-try
Ate
natin.
Jenny is using homemade pickle.
Because sabi nila, mga Pilipina daw na nakapangasawa ng mga Indian, ito daw yung gusto, mango pickle. So, ngayon ita-try natin. Pero, feeling ko talagang sobrang anghang. Kasi, mulang-mula yung chili eh. So, tanggalin lang natin yung buto-buto. Serve me one. What? This one.
Gobi paratha.
So, tanggalin natin yung ulak.
Don't eat alone. Eat with the food.
This one. I wanna try.
That is more. It's going to be more spicy.
I will taste.
What happened? Sour.
Sour, salty. Dito, they really love to eat that. Maybe my taste is different or first time I try, that's why. Sour siya and mapait.
You like it?
Yeah. Thank you.
This is yours, huh? My shade is done
And this one is mint.
with pepper
What did they call suti? Suti.
and chutney.
Chutney? Yeah, they call chutney. The mint. So, try na tayo ng ating
Slowly. Don't drink like water, okay?
no salt.
Salt?
Yeah.
In the tea, you looking for salt? Tea that is sweet.
I know, salt. No sugar.
Still sleepy.
Yeah, of course, I'm still sleepy. No salt. Ay ka na move on. Yung mango pickles, mas kaya kong kainin yung lemon kaysa sa mango. I can eat the lemon. I can eat the lemon than this pickles. It's very sour and butter.
I like gobi paratha than aloo
Gobi?
paratha.
Already.
Use tissue.
Thank you. Yan natin ng yogurt.
Something is spicy inside.
Tapos na siya kumain. Ang ako hindi pa. Mayroon pa dito. Ito.
Sorry? That is your share. My share I'm finished already.
Which one you like?
Which one you are eating?
Gobi. When I'm eating, no? I try, but the taste of the aloo paratha and gobi paratha is
Different.
little bit different. But I like the taste of gobi or gabi.
Gobi.
Yeah, gobi. Gobi is tasty.
They have more flavors inside.
So it means in Punjab this one is your main breakfast, aloo paratha.
Paratha also breakfast.
That is why when we was there, we are always eating paratha in the breakfast.
Yeah, but different kind of parathas are there. You can go for so many flavors. You can go onion paratha, you can go gobi paratha, you can go vegetable parathas. Like so many things are there. Potato also.
You really love to eat flour, no? No rice.
Yeah, North Indian we prefer flour than
Then who's always eating rice?
rice. We eat occasionally afternoon. Afternoon. What do you prefer? Like we that fill with the chapati. Paratha.
But I'm full already.
Because rice get digest faster. You feel hungry again. This flour it stays for a long time to get digest. You will not feel hungry faster.
Mabagal ako kumain. Kasi,
I asked for another tea.
kasi ano,
Finish that one.
hindi ako sanay kumain talaga ng breakfast. Lagi. Kasi yung breakfast ko po lagi ay ano lang po. Banana and yung hot water. Yun lang. Then sometimes pag mayroon akong Horlicks, yun lang yung iniinom ko, yung Horlicks. Then kasunod nun, ano na, yung lunch na, pag uwi na siya. Yung lunch namin mga 1:30 na. Namumuti siya. Biglang nagaganon lang. So yun guys. Katatapos lang namin ang aming breakfast. So ano na kami dito. 1 hour and a half na kami dito. Ang bagal ko kumain talaga pag-agahan. Yun, nagbi-blink yung phone ko. Kaya biglang puputi siya and then babalik sa normal. Ganon. Mahal pala pag mag-order ka ng extra butter. You know how much? It's 70 peso. Ano lang yun, yung maliit na ganitong lagayan. Pero hindi puno yan ha, dito lang. Hindi, not even 1/2 of this. Marami kaming butter sa bahay. So pagkakain, dadalhin na lang yung butter dito. We are bringing our own butter. That I'm saying to them. So now, we are going home na. Kasi it's already 12:30.
I want to sleep back.
Tulog time. Ulit. And thank you so much for the delicious breakfast with her. And is it my first time to try the aloo paratha and gobi paratha. Thank you very much, and thank you for always saying that you have to enjoy your food because it is a blessings from above. Yeah. See you later, guys. Labas na tayo. And yan ito yung labas nila. Yung table na yan, sorry. Yung table na yan, mamaya nila ilalagay yan hapon dito sa labas. So, ito yung labas ng kanilang restaurant. Yun. Ayun, uwi na tayo. Yan, yung Taste of India dito. And yung bahay namin is yon. Yeah, tawid na tayo. And wala po gaanong tao ngayon. Ayan, kasi it's Friday. Ang ganda ng hangin, no?
They're using shade of the building.
So, yun guys, and I'm gonna be close our vlog for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. We thank you in a million ways for always being there for us. And if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be notified and you will be updated if we have new upload videos.
Be careful.
Like, share, comment. May God's guidance be with you and also His blessings abundantly. See you next time!